Hi everyone. So today I want to talk to you about two ways in which you can make some extra money on the side. Number one, you can be an online tutor. So if you are proficient in a particular area like English or any other subject area, you can teach that online and make some extra money. Also, you can do backyard gardening. So many persons will say that they don't have enough space, but you can use some containers that you have at home and get some soil and some seedlings. You could check with Rada in your area and purchase some seedlings and start doing some backyard gardening where you can grow them and reap them and sell them and make some extra money. So follow me for more tips. Bye.